White's challenge here is to make a ko. If white tries to increase eye space, this will not work. If white plays here, then black can destroy white's eye space like this. If white connects, then this just won't be enough. This won't be enough eye space. So that should be pretty clear to you that these conventional moves will not work. And to make a ko, white's key move is to play this. Now white can guarantee a real eye here, and if black wants to destroy an eye here, then black will have to play this move. And this is exactly the ko that white wants. If black wins the ko, of course, white will be all dead, like this. If white manages to capture back, black can play this connecting move. And the next move for white will be this, right? So number 8 will act as a local ko threat. And now black can capture back and continue this ko. And if white wins the ko, white will be able to live like this. So that will be the correct sequence. Overall, the takeaway is the number 1 move by white, right here on the first line. It makes a tiger's mouth, kind of invites black to start the ko. And of course, there are no other way that black can destroy this eye. If black plays here, then white can make a real eye this way. If black plays here, then white will be able to capture number 2 and make a real eye. So black's best move is to take the ko and start it this way. Thank you for watching.